Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome again to my channel ZinoVision, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can convert replace vehicles into add-on vehicles. With this feature you can spawn them instead of replacing the car in the game. So this is going to be a step-by-step tutorial on how to do this. Stay tuned. Before we get started, I just want to inform you this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. If you find any value in this video, which you will, please smash that like button and hit that subscribe button so you can start following my channel. So let's get started. So if you want to convert your replace vehicle into an add-on vehicle, you need to do a few steps. Let's start by step number one. You need OpenIV and you need to download a few files. So the first thing you need to do is to join my Discord. The link will be in the description. To join my Discord, you first need to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So subscribe to the channel, join my Discord. Well, let's go and do that. Okay, after you have hit the subscribe button on my YouTube channel and went to the Discord link, you will be headed to this page right here. This is our Discord server. If you have any support questions, you can open a support ticket. We will help you right away. We also have a lot of giveaways, as you can see. And here we have the support section. We always answer and try to help whenever possible. So for this tutorial, we're going to go to the Grand Theft Auto resources section. That will be right here. And I've just added these links right here. So whenever you're watching this video, I can expect that you already know a lot about how to install plugins for Grand Theft Auto. But just to be clear, if you don't, I've put on all the links that you need to make this work before. So OpenIV, I can imagine everyone already has that. If not, here's a tutorial on how to install it. These are all tutorials, quick tutorials on how to install these files. So you need OpenIV, the game config, limitless files, script.v, native trainer or Minio trainer. For this tutorial, I'll be using the native trainer, and you need the add-on creator vehicle and the vehicle you want to use. In this case, we'll be using this vehicle right here. So in this tutorial, we're only going to go over step 5 and step 6 because everyone that's already wanting to do an add-on vehicle probably already has all these. If not, check them out first. So let's go to these two last links. Okay, this link number 1 is the add-on creator vehicle 1.4. Let's hit download so it can download right away. It's not beginning yet. Come on. Okay, let me just hit download. And the second one is this, the vehicle that we're going to install. This is the replace vehicle. Just hit download, and I'm just going to hit download again. So that's the two files we're going to need. Now we can close this down and go to our download section. Okay, on my right side I have the downloaded files. On my left side I have our Grand Theft Auto main directory folders. As you can see, I have a lot of copies because I like to separate the plugins I have in the game. So this one I have only Iron Man, this one the Natural Vision involved. So we're going to install it on this one. Whenever I want to play with this one, I'll just change this name to something else first and change this to only Grand Theft Auto without this part. Okay, we're going to need this folder here, and we're going to start by extracting both folders. Extract all and extract all. So that's the first step. Okay, the next step is for us to change the name of these replace vehicles right here. It's called now Tailgater. Let's change the files to GT63 because that's what we want to fill in the spawner, the trainer, to spawn the vehicle or search the name for it in the game. Okay, this one like this, GT63. So we only change that. And I'll also change the name right here, GT63. So we know that is that one. So we've changed the name right now. We've extracted the files. Let's go to the second folder. That's this one, the add-on creator vehicle. And let's open it up. Okay, here we can select what vehicle it's going to be. I'm just going to click Buffalo here. And the name is going to be GT63. And we're gonna hit create, and I'm just gonna do it in the same folder right here. Hit OK, and successfully created into replace add-ons. So this is right here. Okay, so we can close this down, and now what we're gonna need is OpenIV. So open up OpenIV, hit Windows. So again, if you don't have OpenIV, watch the tutorial. Okay, I need to reopen it with administration rights. I'm just gonna let it load up. Windows. So if you have any questions for this, how if you can't figure it out, just make a support ticket. Okay, this you won't be needing to do. It's in my tutorial video if you don't know how. So now we are going to go to the mods folder is empty. So in this case, we'll go back. We'll go to update x64 DLC packs. This is already done. Let me just check. Yeah, it's done. And here we can add the folder. So before I do that, I'm just going to close OpenIV and open it again, because we have to open it with administration rights, and I don't want that. Let's let it load up. Yes, edit mode. Click on edit mode. Again, mods is not here, so we're going to go back. We're going to go to update x64 DLC packs, and here we can add that vehicle. That's going to be this one right here, the folder we created. That's with the DLC file. We're just going to select it and drag and drop it right here. And you will see it all the way in the end. It's added. So that's the first step. Next step is we go back to the Grand Theft Auto main directory folder. And now we are going to go to update folder, update again, common data. You can choose to copy the whole folder to the mods folder. I'm going to leave it as this because it's fine by me. We're going to edit it. I always make backups. Again, you saw me copying. So if you do something wrong, it's very hard to find out what it is. That's why I always make a copy after a while. So let's open this up. Good. Okay, this is not how I like it to be, so I'm just going to change copy to mods folder, and now we're in the mods folder, and we're going to edit it. They've changed the layout apparently. Okay, if the layout is not the same for you, that's totally fine. We are gonna change it. We're gonna go here to that last line right here, and we're gonna copy it just like how I do, and we're gonna hit enter right here. Hold on, no, we're gonna start copying here, item to item. Okay, copy it, hit enter right as I do, paste it. Hold on, just skip that whole game config file. It is the DLC list file we need. Sorry about that. I already thought, why is it looking so strange? Let's write this one. Copy this last line. That was stupid of me. I was already like, the whole layout is different. Copy the last line, hit enter, control paste, and change this name to exactly this name. It has to be exactly the same. Done this 1,000 times. I don't understand why I did that wrong. And hit paste. Now we can save it. And that's done. Now let's go to the last step. And the last step is to actually copy the vehicle files into OpenIV. We'll do that by going back where we uploaded that folder, the GT63. We're going to go to update, x64, DLC packs, GT63, DLC, x64, levels, GTA 5, vehicles again, and this is right empty. This is where we need the files. So we're gonna go to this one right here where we changed all the names. We're gonna select them and put them right here, and that's about it, folks. We can now close everything down. I hope that wasn't too hard for you. If it was, then let me know. I'll help you out. Let's open up Grand Theft Auto and see if it works. Yes, so we're back in the game. And let's see if it's working. I'm going to use the Minio, by the way, so that's a better trainer. Also, the tutorial was on the Minio base. So we're going to go to vehicle options here. We're going to hit F8 or F9. F8 or F9 twice. And we're going to go to vehicle options and then vehicle spawner and then input model. We're going to hit GT63. And there you have it, folks. That's our vehicle right there. So it is working, as you can see, perfectly fine. And it's perfect. So that's it for this tutorial, folks. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please smash that like button and hit that subscribe button. Thank you all for watching. I see the game is lagging a bit. Sorry about that. The game is lagging a bit. That's because my record setting is not correct. But it's not lagging in the game itself. Only the recording is lagging. So that's totally fine. Just to be clear, the game is not lagging at all. Let me see if I can fix that fast. Yes. So I can't fix it for the recording, or is it fixed? I think it's fixed. Yeah, it is. It is almost fixed. So it's the recording, not the game, just to be clear. Yeah. So thank you all for watching. Until next time. Goodbye.